Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video or this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Monopoly Go. It's very simple and easy, just follow my steps. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first thing we need to do, obviously we need to go and open our game Monopoly Go here on Game Launcher and open Monopoly Go. There's no need to use Game Launcher, but this in my case, I prefer to use it here. So wait a few seconds until the game is opening and this loading bar comes to the end. And now once you're here in this interface or the main page of the game of Monopoly Go, we got certain options, right? But here, up to the right corner, we can see these three lines next to the shields. So we're gonna click on them, and here we got a lot of options such as shop, net worth, my showroom, and so on. Here, we're gonna click on our icon that has the picture and the name down below. So we're gonna click on the icon here, and then we can see this icon or this button right to the name. So we click on it. In here, we can change our name and put our new name. So for example, I'm gonna put my new name here. I'm gonna let it this one, and then click on submit and wait a few seconds. And it said that you can change your name 3 times. And that's a question before you submit your name. So click on submit. That's how I would change my name on Monopoly Go. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.